Okay, so in covering the cannon, one asks oneself, hey, what else can I shoot out of it? Well, I went online and my package showed up today, and I have some 3D printed things. I'm not quite sure how they work or how they'll fit, but there we go. I got a bunch of them. So let's get the camera angle changed and see what we ended up with. Alright, some of this is 35 millimeter or 37 millimeter, whatever, and some of this is cannon projectiles. They're all been 3D printed. Here's one, which I believe is for the cannon. Another one, it's a giant, like air gun pellet. And this canister, which I believe, if you drop a golf ball down there, it'll hold that and launch it. So this is for somebody who just has the large cannon. I don't know what this is. And then I got some of these. There's a bunch of projectiles out there for, I believe, the 37 millimeter signaling guns. And I'm not quite sure how that translates into the two barrels I got for the cannon. So we're going to take a look at that right here now. Okay, we got our cannon. And with our golf ball launcher. Now this stuff's way too small. So that was a mistake on my part. I thought maybe these would fit. They don't. These are made to be put in a case and fired down the barrel. So I made a mistake on these. But I'm not going to let it deter me. So yes, the golf ball launcher does not marry up with the tear gas launcher rounds. So these are out of the way. So live and learn. But I'll keep them around for other things. Okay, so now I've removed our golf ball tube. And yes, these appear to fit in there quite snug. And this one also. And I believe this thing is designed that you drop a golf ball in there and then place it in and it will grip it and launch it. So now we have basically the only thing to launch are these three items, which this here, sharp point spirals, I guess, to give it aerodynamics, and a hollow base. The oversized pellet, again, it looks like an air gun pellet, hollow base. And this thing here, I guess you can, however this works, not quite sure. So those are the three items. Some of the other items, I really don't know what this is for. It was in the bag. It may have something to do with the 37 mils, but maybe I could put some sort of a sabot on these and launch these out of there. So food for thought. If I do that, I may be able to machine on a nylon or something, a little thing that I can plug this in and then load it back down into this barrel, because these things just go right through. I'll have to measure it and see what the difference is. But So there you go, fellas. 3 new items for the cannon. And maybe I'll get these modified to where I can use it somehow. So some new things to make videos and some new adventures here. Alright guys, stay tuned.